Hi, my name's Sue. Just here to say a few words about why I chose Mike's Ultimate Beginners course. I chose it because I've been seeing Mike's videos on YouTube for quite a while and I liked his style of teaching. I did a little bit of research, so I was not worried about paying for an online course. Mike had good reviews, and as I said previously, I liked his style of teaching. I also liked all the video clips in the course because I'm a person that gets more out of something and learns quicker by seeing something and doing it rather than just reading a book. And what I really liked was that I was able to save all the material that Mike sent each week, and so I got it to refer to over and over again as many times as I like. I'm now more confident in my photography and I'm finally off auto, and I think the course was worth every penny I spent. Thanks, Mike.